So the first one that we have here is hawid, right? Hawid, and it's hawid means to hold on to something in place, right? It's similar to gunit, but gunit is just to hold. Hawid is like to hold something in place, like you're holding something for somebody in place. You're holding a dog in place so someone can do something. You're holding a picture in place so someone can do something. You're just holding it in place, right? So it doesn't move or anything. Panimalay is pangbalay. It's for the house, right? Abang or abangan is arkila. Batok is the back of the head, the occiput. Tungol is the innards, right? The inner, so it's like the innards of your belly, your stomach area. It's not tiyan because tiyan is stomach, but when you open up the abdomen, what you see is tungol, the innards. So it's like the stomach and everything inside the intestines, all that stuff, all the fun stuff. Campana is a church bell, but campana can also mean the uvula, right? The uvula, or uvula, as some people say. Sunoy is a rooster or a cock when they go to those sabong, right? The sabong fights. Um, gamhanan. Sorry for the noise, but gamhanan is the power. It's the power or the might to influence. Yeah, there you go. The power or the might to influence and make changes, right? So you're very influential. Like this people have this capacity, right? So people can make changes in politics, influence people, leaders, stuff like that. So if you have the power or the might, the persuasion to do something, right? The root word here is gahom, and gahom just means power. So gamhanan, right? Because remember, I don't need to talk about how it changed already. You already know that. But gamhanan is the adjective for the might that, or the capacity that people can make changes by power and stuff, right? Like especially in politics and persuasion, right? So bilihon is an adjective meaning valuable or precious, right? So you can use it in ways like bilihong ocasión, a precious occasion, right? Bili, right? Bili meaning cost, worth, price, or value. Pangbili or bili, right? Which is like the worth or the cost of something or the value, right? So bilihon changes it to an adjective. Bulag means to get separated or to separate, right? So you can separate somebody, you can drop off somebody somewhere in a corner, and then you'll get separated. We'll separate there. You can separate items. You can separate just things just to get separated, right? To separate mother and child, right? Bansai is to get skilled or adept at something. You're used to doing something already, like you're used to it already. So bansai. And then finally, likit just means cracks. Likit cracks, just cracks in anything, just crack. Like it cracks in an object, glass, whatever, right?